Hey, it's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Now, for those of you that have come onto my channel for the very first time, thank you so much and a very warm welcome. And for those of you that have already subscribed and are already following me, again, thank you so much for your continued support and welcome back. Now, in this short video, what I'm going to be talking about is another alternative method of generating money online. Now, for those of you that are already following me will know that I've set myself a massive challenge, and that is to generate £3,000 in just 31 days. Now, the caveat to this challenge is that it needs to be done online. So I need to earn this money online. So what I've done up until now, I've been basically researching various different methods of how I can earn money online, and the method that I'm going to be talking about today is affiliate marketing. Now, for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is, all it is when you are basically promoting or selling goods and services on behalf of another company. Now, if you want to know more information about how that works and how to get started, make sure you check out my video. I will leave the link down in the description below. But in this video, I just wanted to give you a heads up that this is another alternative way of generating income online, and this is what I'm going to be using in order to help me to get to my target. So with regards to affiliate marketing, the way to get started is that you will need to join a company or a business that has an affiliate marketing scheme. Now, there are many out there. I'm sure if you do a Google search, you'll find plenty. But the one company that I wanted to talk about quickly in this video is Amazon. Now, Amazon are massive and they have a great affiliate program. And the way it works is that all you need to do is promote any one of their thousands of items to a customer, and if they purchase that item, you will get a commission off that. Okay, it is that easy. But the bonus and what the real kicker is that even if they don't buy the item that you are promoting off Amazon, as long as they stay on the website and purchase something within 24 hours, and it doesn't need to be the item that you're promoting, you will also get a commission off that. Okay, so let me paint a picture for you. Say that you're promoting, I don't know, a bag. So say that you're promoting this bag off Amazon. What they'll do is Amazon will give you a link to this item. You will then send that link to the customer. The customer will then click on that link, and if they buy that bag, then you earn a commission. But even if they don't buy that bag, but they're still on the Amazon website, if they make a purchase, and it doesn't matter what it is, but if they make a purchase off the Amazon website within 24 hours, you will gain a commission for each of those items that they buy. Now, that is amazing, right? So that's basically how the affiliate program works with Amazon. And like I said, that is definitely a method that I'm going to be using. So I hope you guys were inspired by that. And like I said, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, check out my video. The link is down in the description below. I'm on to day 8 of my 3K in 31 days challenge. And this is another method that I'm going to be using. If you like this video and you got massive value from it, please do hit that like button and make sure you hit subscribe. And for those of you that want to keep up to date with all the videos that I'm putting out and following me on my journey, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that notification icon, so that every time that I do load a video, you will be one of the first to know about it. Okay guys, well listen, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep smiling, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next video.